Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. Been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is wisdom. It's time to work smart, not hard. Continue to put in that maximum effort, but try to work through everything in the smartest way possible. Just because you're exhausted, just because you're tired, doesn't mean that you put in a fool's day, a great day of work as maximum capacity. We want to work efficiently and effectively. God has a plan for you. I live here and now knowing beauty is to come. I don't force things to happen faster than the universe has decided for me. You're in the right place, right time, thinking the right thoughts, doing the right things. Continue to move forward, but be smart. I learned from my experiences. Take small steps in faith and I succeed. Faith without works are dead. So as long as you have faith, you keep on putting some more walk behind that talk, then guaranteed your blessings will manifest. Thanks to all my efforts, my life changes. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.